Tritium DCFC has announced plans to supply more than 100 rapid electric vehicle chargers to Motor Fuel Group, the largest independent forecourt operator in the UK. Tritium's 150 kilowatt DC fast chargers, which can add 100 miles of range to an electric vehicle in approximately 10 minutes, are designed for more cost-effective operations and infrastructure deployment. Jane Hunter, Tritium CEO, recently commented, "We're proud to partner with Motor Fuel Group to support their parallel goals of electrifying transportation and enabling a greener and cleaner future by providing customers with readily available rapid chargers across their forecourt network in the UK." This announcement highlights MFG recognition that the world is changing, and they are leading the charge towards electric vehicles and low-carbon fuels in line with the UK government's ambitions. Founded in 2001, Tritium designs and manufactures proprietary hardware and software to create advanced and reliable DC fast chargers for electric vehicles. Tritium's compact and robust chargers are designed to look great on Main Street and thrive in harsh conditions through technology engineered to be easy to install, own, and use. Shares of Tritium DCFC trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol DCFC. For more information, please visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.